Mastering the phrase, out of practice, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, out of practice. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you express a common situation in a native-like way. So, let's dive in and master the meaning and usage of out of practice. The phrase, out of practice, refers to a state where someone has lost their skill or proficiency in a particular activity because they haven't done it in a long time. It's like when you haven't ridden a bike for years and find it a bit tricky when you try again. Example, I used to play the piano really well, but now I'm out of practice. In everyday conversation, out of practice is often used in a casual, self-deprecating way. People use it to explain why they might not be performing at their best. Example, sorry, I'm not as good at this game as I used to be. I'm a bit out of practice. There are other ways to express the same idea. Phrases like, rusty, not up to scratch, or lost my touch, convey similar meanings. Each of these phrases adds a little flavor to the conversation, making your English more colorful and expressive. Example, I haven't played chess in years. I'm pretty rusty. Now, let's practice. Try to use out of practice in a sentence about a skill or hobby you haven't done recently. Share your sentences in the comments. That's all about the phrase, out of practice. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English language skills. Remember, the key to language learning is practice, so don't let your English get out of practice. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Bye for now.